Do you have a sticking control cable on your bike, motorcycle, or other type of cable? Hinder rust. Chain wire and cable lubricant penetrates deep into cables to stop rust and corrosion and maintain ease of movement. The aerosol spray can is compatible with all types of cable luber tools to inject lubricant into cable housing on motorcycles, cars, bicycles, lawnmowers, and other clutch, throttle, and brake control cables.
Hey, good afternoon. My name is Brian. I work here at Ceramics, and today we're going to go over how to lube a motorcycle cable. We're going to be using one of our latest products, chain wire and cable lube. What we have is a cable oiler. When you install the cable into the luber, make sure that you slide it in far enough, but not too far. It needs to go about halfway in to the fitting here on the end of the cable. Then evenly tighten down the two thumb screws, making sure that you tighten them as even as possible and clamping onto the outer housing of the cable when doing it. Do not use pliers or any other kind of tools on this because it will damage the actual cable looper. Simply insert the straw into the portion of the cable looper, depress the nozzle. Once you start lubing the cable, it should be just a short time and the cable lube itself will start coming through the other end of the cable. At this point, your cable is completely lubed and ready to put back into service.
Order today. Click on the link in the description, visit Fluoramics.com, or call. Subscribe to the Fluoramics channel and tap the notification bell for updates. Made in the USA.